The drawing module allows me to attach file to the system. If I go into my maintenance object, find my first element, I can see here that I have one file, at least one file attached to it. If I go into the document, I can see that I have one PDF file attached. To open up the file, I need a viewer installed on my computer. When I have, I can go down and select View Document. The program will open and I will see my PDF file. I can also create my own link, a new one. In that way we have two options, advanced and easy. The easy part still have two ways of doing it. Link and store. If I select link, I simply just point out the file that I want to attach. In this case, I select this file, a Word file. When I select open, the system will automatically create a document key for it and save the path. In this case, it's very important that you do not put in link that is pointing down at your own computer. It should be on a server side. Otherwise, other people will not be able to view the document. I can also go in and select the store. If I select the store, I get the same. Point out the document. But there is one difference here. This file is now copied to a predefined location that we cannot see. It has been set up by the administrator. We can see on the icon that this is not a shortcut, and this is. And we can put the mouse on it and we can see the difference. I can also change the files directly here. So if I select the file I want to change, I can edit it. I open up my Word and now I can make my test. Change whatever I want. This is just Word. So when I save it, my document is saved. When I leave it, then other people who open up this link will see my change. If I take the other one that is stored directly and do the same, edit the document, I will then take a copy from the predefined location to my local PC. Now I can go in here and make a change in it. But now I have to double save it. First I have to save the document. That's just Word. And then I close it. But afterwards I have only saved the file that is in this location, which is on the local computer. To upload this document to the predefined location, I need to go down and select OK. If I don't, but select Cancel, then the file is going to be deleted and whatever I updated is lost. So I select OK and update the file server as well. Now anyone who opened up the document will see the change. So if I select View, I can see my change. I can also attach an internet link, but the internet link I cannot use link or store. I have to use the advanced. In this case I use New. New is a combination. So I select New. I need to create a new combination, but now I have to do everything manually. So I give it a key. When I leave the field, the system will now find out that it does not exist and ask me if I want to create it. And that's what I want. Key not found. Yes. Now I have to add two more information. The first one is the file type. I need to tell the system which program we need to open up as viewer to view my internet connection. In this case we use internet. Now the system will know that it will need a viewer that can open up HTML files, and that will be iExplore. There is a configuration where we have designed it that HTML file is opened by iExplore. Now I need to add the path. In the path I simply just put in apipro.com. Nothing else. I save it. Save my connection. and now I have my link. When I double click on the link, it will open up iExplore and show me my website. All these files will not be printed out unless I do it manually. But there is one option where I can print out with auto settings. It will only work in the work order program. If I select a file and select edit and select here auto print and save it, it now means that this document will be printed out if it is connected. So in this case, if my maintenance object is connected to a work order, this file is also connected and it will be printed out. There is a third option to put in the file. Drag and drop. So if I have my Explorer open at the same time, I can simply use drag and drop. So if I select, for example, here my N handling, a BMP file, I can add it directly. It works the same way as the link.